Hi everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA here at Lincoln Elementary School in Redondo Beach, and we love supporting our schools. First off, we do a lot of volunteer work for the schools because schools are the kids, and kids are the future. So everybody needs to kind of build up and help to build up our schools. Anyway, what we're doing here today is there's this little garden that just got put in. We're actually installing the drip irrigation, and we're using, as always, we're using the Rainbird drip irrigation. It's the copper shield technology. We've got an air relief valve over here. This actually lets air out when the system first starts up, so it doesn't have that balloon effect that puffs out. If you do that a few hundred times, it actually weakens all the joints of the system, and the system could fall apart. So we always recommend putting an air relief valve. And also too, there's going to be more mulch on this, so before the mulch goes on, I just want to make sure that you got an idea of how drip irrigation is properly ran. We're running it at about every 12 inches, stapling it down, and we're also at this point putting a battery timer because there's no electricity. So for the gentleman in the corner over there, just put in the Rainbird valve, putting in the timer that's connected. So that's an amazing thing, is that you don't need electricity for a typical clock that plugs into a wall. You can actually use a battery operated timer, which we highly recommend. And then there's these on the valve, there's a built-in pressure regulator as well as a clean out. So, and then speaking about clean outs, if the filter at the drip irrigation valve, if it's not 100%, it's about 99.9, it's at 0.101. If anything escapes, it'll go to the end of the line, and so we put clean outs at the end of the line. So about once a year, those can get cleaned out. Anyway, just wanted to share this with you. It's a beautiful March day. This is 2017. Mike from Enviroscape LA. When you think sustainability, think Enviroscape LA.